Okay, this is your homework. Started out with this. This is it though. Chapter 15.5. That's the old chapter, but we're doing scatter plots. I didn't change it. Average temperature in June in Fahrenheit. We're labeling your X and Y. Latitude, that's your X. Latitude are measured by degree. Okay. And then to figure out how to label this is our highest number is 50. So how do we label this? This is to include 50. Either go by 3 or 5. 5 is easier. Most students would prefer 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. We're good here because our highest degree is 50. The other one goes up to 102 degrees Fahrenheit. And the label by 5 also, even though 102 is more than 100, which is way up here, we can estimate a little bit above it. This is your y coordinate, y-axis, I mean. So label that by 5, that's 10, 20, 25, 30. We're doing every other one, okay? Uh-oh, I missed something. Aha, right here. What a mistake. 70, 80, 90, and 100. Talk too much. Okay. And then you do 45 degrees, 75 average temperature, 75 degrees. 45 and 75 right here. 20-degree latitude, 86 degrees, 20. Uh-oh, not erased. Go up to 86, just above 85. 60 latitude, 50 degrees. Okay, and then 5 degrees latitude is 102. Up to 100. 102 is way up here. 15 degrees latitude is 90. There. 25 degrees is 85. Right here. 30 is 81. 10 degrees, 96. 50, 68. Okay, and then you need to draw a line of best fit. So the best way to draw a line of best fit is first enclose your Uh-oh. Enclose all the dots. Make it look like a sandwich bun. Okay? And then cut that bun in half. The best half you can. So, can connect it to there. Okay. All of you will have a different line of best fit. If your line looks like this, you can choose these two right here and right here. Some of you cannot choose, you can only choose dots on the line. You can create more dots if you like. You cannot choose anything that's not on the line. For example, right here, these are no-nos. Don't choose those. Do not choose those dots. You can only choose dots that are on your line of best fit. So your line of best fit may be different. Now you cannot draw a line of best fit that looks like this. You don't make sandwich that way, okay? You don't make sandwich this way either. Those are wrong. You need to cut your sandwich as best as you can in half. And that may not include these two dots that I just circled. You can do this. And that is okay. Now, once you do that, this line of best fit, this dot right here, going to no longer be your choice. Because this dot is not on your line. So all of you will have different answers, okay? Depending on your line of best fit. Now, let's say, for example, this is my line of best fit. I am then going to choose this dot, which is 15, the 15 one, 15 and 90. So I look at here. No, that can't be it. 1590 is right there. I must have graphed wrong. Which one is above 90? 10 degrees. I graphed wrong. So 10 degrees and 96. Right here. So let me redraw my line of best fit. It could look like this. That's not good because it's not cutting this in half. My sandwich would fall apart. Not a good sandwich. Okay. Okay. Well, like that. Okay. I can for sure choose this one for my line of best fit. And I have to make another dot. So my other dot would be, let's choose this one right here. That's easy to find. That's 10 and 100. Okay. 10 and 100. It's one of them. And the other one is 25 and 85. Actually, it's 84. 25 and 84. Okay. They say circle the third point on the scatter plot. Okay, this is my third point. 60 and 50, or 60 and 50. Oh, right here. That's the third point. Explain what it means. Okay, 60 means 60 degrees latitude. 60 degrees latitude. Average temperature is is 50 degrees. If you live along 60 degree latitude, your average temperature in June is 60 degrees in June. Okay, so now here we pick 2 points. Best represent this decreasing linear association and write a linear equation. Okay, we're asked to write a linear equation in points in slope-intercept form. You first have to start with point slope. Y minus y1 equals to x minus x1. Oops. M equals to m parentheses x minus x1, too early in the morning. xy, xy, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Y minus y1, which is 100, equals to m, we don't know yet, x minus 10. Okay, let's find m. Do it in blue. Y2, 84, minus y1, which is 100. Finding rate of change over x2, which is 25, minus x1, which is 100. And then it's negative 16 over 15 cannot be reduced anymore. We know negative is correct because our line here is going down. So if you write your name somewhere, the line is going down. Okay? So this is a negative 16 over 15. Right here, get negative 16 over 15x, additive inverse. You get, okay, use a calculator. Okay, use a calculator for this one. You do negative 16 divided by 15 times negative 100 equals, rounded to dismiss. Oh, I'm running out of battery. This is 106 2/3. Anything with 6666 repeating is 2/3. We'll use the decimal. 106.6 repeating. That I expect you to know how to solve with. Okay, let's go ahead and add to 100. Y minus 100. Add 100. Add 100. You guys know how to do these. So y equals to negative 116 over 15x plus 206 with the 6 repeating, 666 after. And that's your answer, your y. Intercept is at 206, so right here is 206 degrees Fahrenheit. It looks accurate because 100's right here, 200's right there. So check if your y-intercept should be a positive and you get 100 and something negative, it shouldn't be down here. So you know your answer is wrong. Somewhere you made a negative mistake. Go back and check for your negative errors. Okay, so I'm going to do this as fast as we can because some of you have missed, maybe absent on the day of substitution and elimination. This is substitution. We save the easier one of the two, which is the one in slope-intercept form. Okay, that one there. All right, and then we take this here and we substitute this one into y right there. Put a parentheses though. So we copy that. 10x plus 31, parentheses there, equals to 63. We get 4x minus 119. Distribute means to multiply. You get 120. X minus, I need a calculator for this one. 31 times 119, 3,689. And then we get we have the 10x left. Okay, so 134x minus 3,689 equals to 63. You add to both sides. Addition, property, or equality. Or in class, I say let's make 0 to one side. You add them together at 63. You get 3,752. Divide that by 134. Okay. Get an answer. X is 28. Okay, X has no meaning, so we don't have to worry about that. Substitute this into that right there. So this is one solution at, they're going to meet at, we need to find y, 4 times 28 minus 119. Get you -7. The two lines will meet at 28 and -7. Here you use elimination. Okay, you're gonna eliminate this one because it's easier to multiply this 100 by 200 to make 200 by multiplying by a +2 because we want to make this a +200. In order to do that, you have to multiply it by a -2. Once it's a +200, this is a 0, you can eliminate it. So you distribute this -2 to all of them. You can't just do it to one. You have to do it to all. You get negative 134x. Now this is what you're doing, a +200. Y? And then equals to a positive, multiply it to the last one, a positive 16, like that. Copy this other problem. 134x plus minus 200y -202 0 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 equals to 102 minus that's 6. Right? That was 9. That became a 9 because it was a 10 you borrowed over here. That's 8. And you borrowed 1 here. That's 0. So it's a -86. So no solution. The lines are parallel. That means they'll never meet. Okay, you need to explain what your graph looks like so you know why you're solving these things. Okay, the 2 that's cost, if you have a question on that, please please ask me. I have 2%, so I'm going to go over this. Most kids have issues with this first review questions. Put in odd places just to save paper. Suppose Ken had 25 coins in nickels and in dimes. So both nickels and dime all together add to 25 because he had 25 coins. Okay, so you put x plus y equals to 25. And always